What's up, Pop Sugar? It's Katie Austin here, and I am going to be leading you guys through a 10-minute low-impact cardio routine. You will need no equipment. All you need is yourself, and we're going to be standing the entire time. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, we are going to start with 3 deep breaths. So get in a nice, ready squat position right here. Feet a little bit more than hip distance apart. I want you guys to breathe in. Inhale all that oxygen, and as you exhale, really stretch out your chest. 2 more big deep breaths before we begin. Inhale and exhale, let it go. Great, one more time, big inhale right here. Hold at the top and exhale, let it go. All right, you guys, we're gonna start right here with a nice side step. Side step it out, keep breathing. We're just gonna get our heart rate up just a little bit right here. Hopefully, you guys break a sweat a little bit in these quick 10 minutes, but you guys can always feel free to repeat it 2 or 3 more times through, whatever feels right to you. All right, now we're just gonna do some nice side reaches. Side to side, adding a little bit of a mini squat in there as well. So squat, reach, stretching out that side body. Beautiful. Inhale and exhale, squat a little bit deeper. Fire up those glutes. Activate your thighs. Wonderful. Now, I want you guys to come across here. Twist that torso just a little bit, engaging that core. Make sure you're also tightening up that back glute as you come up from that squat. Squat and twist, elongate that arm. Keep breathing for 3, for 2, and for 1. Now, spread these feet a little bit more than hip width apart, just like that. I want you guys to do a nice side lunge to side lunge, just like that. Staying low the entire time. Beautiful, good posture. Shoulders down and back. Nice work. Push off that back heel to really lift that booty. Now, we're gonna take it up a notch and add those arms for a windmill. So, try your best. Opposite hand, tap that toe, switch. Here we go. Keep breathing. Nice work. Again, no jumping in this workout. Easier on the joints, on the knees. That's what low impact is all about. Beautiful. Nice work. 5. Here we go. 4. Get lower. For 3, 2, and 1. Hands right behind your head, just like that. I want you guys to come to a good morning right here. Really using those hamstrings to pick yourself back up and squeeze the glutes. Beautiful, good posture again. Core in tight, knees just a little bit bent, and feel it through your hamstrings. Wonderful work, you guys. 2 more of these, and then we're taking it up a notch and give me a cross crunch. Here we go, last one. Squeeze. Come down for that good morning, and as you come up, cross crunch. Here we go. Down, up. Nice work. I want you guys to really set power behind those crunches as you come up from it, and exhale at the top. Beautiful. Working those obliques. Last 2 good mornings, and then we're actually staying and doing those cross crunches. Last one. Keep those hands behind your head. Let's power it out. From side to side. Great. Tighten up your core. Keep those hands strong behind your head. Nice work. Drive that knee towards the opposite elbow. We have 6, 5, 4, 3. At the end of this, we're gonna stay in this kind of step touch right here. Last one, but now kick it back. Kick it back. Oh yeah, tap those heels. Staying low right here, a little bit of bounce in your knees. Get into it. Beautiful. Here we go. We are almost halfway through this workout. Time flies when you're having fun. Here we go. 6. Woo! Finish strong. You guys can get those arms into it if you guys want. For 4, 3, for 2, and we are gonna stay in a squat in 1. Hold right there. Hold, 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 baby. Get low. Get low. How low can you go? Hey, hey, nice work. Adding a little bit of that bounce, a pulse. Get those thighs burning up here. Here we go. Now, we're gonna add a nice box and squat. So as we come up out of that squat, punch across, squat, box, squat, box. Here we go. Twist that torso. Get into these punches. Keep those hands near your face. Protect your beautiful face. And get into the punches. Any anxiety you're feeling right now, let it go with these punches. Nice work. Exhale every punch. And twist your hip just a little bit as you're coming out of that, so you're really getting that power behind those punches. Beautiful. Almost there. For 3, 2, and now we're gonna stay in that squat. We're gonna do some squat walk side to side across that mat. Beautiful. Stay low. Nice work. Breathe in and exhale. Wonderful. Hopefully your thighs are feeling this right now. Your booty is feeling this. You're feeling good. You're getting some energy in your body and your system. You're feeling better about yourself, more confident. Nice work. I feel like sometimes all you need is 10 minutes to feel more positive, feel better about yourself, and that's why we're doing this 10-minute workout. So hopefully after you guys finish this, feeling 100%, feeling like your best self. Now, we're gonna add a nice calf raise at the end of this. Squat walk to calf raise. Nice work, have fun with it. I want you guys to really tighten up those calves. When you guys raise up, tighten those calves. Beautiful. Get lower. Great. Last 2. Last 1. Hold that calf raise at the top. Hold, 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 hold. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And let it go. All right, you guys, now we have a little kick-based content coming up for you guys. What I want you guys to do is reverse lunge and kick through. Reverse, kick. Here we go. Use those arms. Pump it out. Reverse lunge, making sure this front knee doesn't go over that front toe right there. Use your arms and kick through. You got it. Also using those lower abs to kick through as well. Good posture. Here we go. Only a few more because we only got a few more minutes of this workout. Last one, no break in between. Switch that reverse lunge and kick it out. Same thing, other side. Here we go. Kick. Beautiful, using those arms. Core tight. Great. For 3. Breathe in. Last 1. Relax. We're not done with those kicks just quite yet, all right? Here we go. We got to squat, kick through. Squat, kick. Great. Breathe. Squeeze those glutes at the top. As you squat, push off those heels, power through that kick. Beautiful work, you guys. I'm proud of you for getting this far. Nice work. Woo! Give me 3. Finish this move strong, I know. This is where it's gonna count. 2 and 1. Stay right here. Hands go above head. Give yourself a nice breather. We haven't really had many breaks in this workout, have we? Hands above head, breathe in. As you exhale, I want some standing crunches. And exhale, beautiful. Bring those knees towards your chest. Breathe in. We are almost done, you guys. I am so proud of you. Tighten up that tummy using those lower abs. Now, let's slow it down. Release those arms, hold right here. And just give me some nice slow high knees. You guys can feel free to breathe in. Let it all go. Awesome work. Hold right here. You guys can feel free to do some slow booty kicks as well. Slow down your heart rate a little. Again, feel free to repeat this workout 2 or 3 more times. Send it to your girlfriends to do it with you. One last big deep breath in. All right, you guys, you crushed that 10-minute cardio routine. I am so proud of you. And if you guys like this video, make sure to download the Katie Austin app for hundreds of more workouts. And also comment down below any questions you guys have for the Class FitSugar trainers, and we will answer them in the next video. See you guys later.